Amsterdam is the capital city of the Netherlands. The Netherlands is also known as Holland. Amsterdam is a busy, cosmopolitan city. Over 700,000 people live in the city. It's always a great time to visit, and every year, millions of tourists visit the city. The weather is never too hot or too cold, but it rains a lot, so don't forget your umbrella. There's a lot to see and do in Amsterdam. The city is famous for its 165 canals and 1,281 bridges. It's known as the Venice of the North. The houses next to the canals are very old and beautiful. There are boats of all shapes and sizes in Amsterdam. And many people live on houseboats. Taking a canal trip is a great way to see the city. It's lovely at night. There are a lot of museums and galleries in Amsterdam. The busiest museum is the Van Gogh Museum. Some museums, like the Old Reich Museum and the Modern Science Museum, NEMO, are very big. But there are some small museums too. It's a good city for shopping, and it's famous for its beautiful, fresh flowers. There aren't any big shops in the 9 Streets area of the city, but there are some great small shops. It's also a fantastic place to relax in a cafe. Amsterdam isn't a good city for cars, but there are many different ways to get around. There are trains, trams, and ferries too. The trams aren't expensive, but they are very busy. But the best, cheap way to travel around the city is on a bicycle. Amsterdam is an excellent city for cycling. There aren't any hills, and there are cycle paths all over the city. A lot of people cycle every day. The Dutch love bikes. There are more than 500,000 bicycles in the city. And here, at Central Station Bicycle Park, there are over 2,000 bicycles. so, come to Amsterdam and get on a bike. It's a great way to see this amazing city.